Oh! Hello. If you're here to see the snowmobile run, I suppose you are. You're early, I'm afraid. You're just a little early, or maybe you're late, depending on how you look at it. But I suppose every good story starts from the ending. So I hope you'll stay, have a seat. I bought a snowmobile. I bought it for $400. It was a parts snowmobile. The guy seemed pretty frustrated with it, and it seemed like a good riddance kind of situation. He said some things that he's replaced, although I didn't see any new parts. Look out below! It is a 1995 Arctic Cat EXT 580. That means it was made by Suzuki. It means it has 580 cc's of displacement. It means that it's carbureted. It means that it has no reverse. It means it has no electric start. It doesn't work, but it looks cool.
She opens her mouth to insult me. Other people think she's frightening. Breaking up, I think she might be. I hope she knows I'm on her side. She's pessimistic just to spite me. I love her like a bolt of lightning. The medication isn't helping, and I can't get anything right. Tell me what you need, it will be alright. Tell me what you need, even if it's not alright. Tell me what you need, so we can get it right. I don't know whether she respects me. I wonder will there be a next me.
Got a spark tester here.
Wonder whether she rejects
Just gonna pull the starter.
She's the only girl I like. I'm having trouble understanding.
Here's what happened. I bought a new stator for it. I put it in. Still no spark to the spark plugs. So to make sure that the stator's working, I'm going to bypass these switches. Like this. This will bypass the key ignition, the safety switches, that kind of stuff. Okay, thank God the new stator works. Just because your business is small doesn't mean you're a small business owner. I can also prove that the key is working. Like that. Key is on, no resistance. Key is off. Resistance. Now I can bypass the safety switch like this.
Sometimes I think I'm over everything, but the answer is resounding. Why do they even call it free time? She opens her heart to engulf me. I love her like a bolt of lightning. I hope I'm helping, 'cause I can't get you off my mind. Tell me what you need, it will be alright. Tell me what you need, even if it's not alright. Communication is the key, so we can get it right.
Anyway, now it works, but it's too late because we missed winter. So, oh well. The winter comes and goes. Some play in the snow, but not my snowmobile. Good night.